Hello everyone, and welcome back to another Kimmel's Log here. Here on November 19th, 2016, yes, it's Louis Vlogs. Hello everybody, welcome back. Look guys, you've caught me in the middle of cleaning cleaning the kitchen. Yeah, so hello everybody, welcome back. Day 170, and my 18th vlog for the month, and 17th in a row. I've broken a record and a streak, guys, that I don't think I'm ever gonna hit again. Or will I? Alright everybody, so how am I doing? Well, I'm doing good. I'm just here cleaning up my kitchen, and I'm going to spiff it up before the parents get home. And yeah, that's what I'm doing. This is probably going to be 6.5 minutes. No extensions, 6.5 minutes. So I've been playing Pokemon Sun, and pretty interesting actually. I'm already on the first trial. For those of you who are playing out there, hope you guys are having fun with it. So yeah, I'm on the first trial, and it's really, really, really interesting stuff, guys. It really is. It really is amazing. So, what did I want to talk about today? Well, tomorrow I'm going to a gun show to learn the arts of, looking at guns and finding out what it is like to deal with that sort of atmosphere and everything else. It's pretty interesting. I've never been to a gun shop or a gun show, so I'm not particularly familiar with everything, so it's going to be an interesting thing, guys, and I'll tell you my findings and my experience. I'm not going to be buying anything because I don't have a gun license, and I'm not going to, I just want to learn what it's like, because I'm the guy that likes to learn and likes to do things, right? So, yeah, guys, I said this was going to be a 6.5 minute vlog, right? So yeah, guys, it's going to be interesting. I'll report you guys back tomorrow sometime about it. It'll be interesting. So yeah, yeah, I'm enjoying, oh yeah, guys, I'm about to hit 1,000 views soon on the channel. 1,000. So that'll be interesting. I think I have more than 1,000, but it's because I've taken some videos off over the years, probably. But I have over 1,000 views, guys. It's really, really interesting the way that has transpired, because, and I will be giving an annual state of the channel address when I'm finished with the month. Oh, when I'm nearing the end of the month of December, I'm going to do one today on the 22nd. Sorry if I scared you there. I'm looking to do that because I want to see how much the channel has grown since then. I don't remember how many views I had. For those of you who are watching, watch the State of the Channel address. It's in the playlists, and I forget what day it is. It's like day one. It's like day one. It's like day 30 something or day 40 something. I can't remember. No. Actually, yeah, it's day like 38. Yeah, it's like day 38 or day 39 or something like that. Can't remember. Yeah, I think it's like day 38, day 40. Guys, I'm just gonna be. So yeah. All right, everybody. I'll be right back, guys. Sorry. Yeah, guys, so that's what's going to be happening. All right, everybody. I've already talked enough. I'll see you guys tomorrow for another one of these. All right, everybody. Long live America. God bless America. Long live my grandfather's spirit, my grandmother's spirit. Amen to both of them and everybody else who's deceased. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Here on November 19th, 2016. 2016. Thank you, and have a good day. Michael Moslock here for another vlog. Signing out. Okay, guys. Michael Moslock here. Out. See you guys tomorrow.